Good morning, you guys. Well, I'm out on a little hike. This is an absolutely fabulous morning. Just fabulous. And so I've decided to come out and hike around a little bit, get away from the Campmobile. I did hear somebody driving around earlier. This is hunting season and it's the weekend, so I shouldn't be shocked that other people are out here. In fact, somebody could be listening to me right now. I might be in their sights. So yeah, the sun is just starting to hit the mountains. You can see it creeping down into the valley there. And it's coming up behind on the backside of Mount Baker from my angle, so I can't quite see it hitting the mountain yet. But it is just gorgeous out here. We're starting to get a little breeze. It's just now starting to kick up. So I'm in this interesting little trail of sorts up over this big rock, and goes down through those Halloween trees. God. It's really cool down in there. But I wanted to be up here where you can see the sun is just now starting to hit the trees and the hillside opposite and down in the valley. Oh yeah, this is a beautiful spot to be. It seems like I'm always saying this in videos, but I wish I could, with the camera, I could capture the grandeur of, because to me, this mountain right here is kind of looming up towards me. But on camera, it looks like it's probably about 100 miles away. I was gonna have a fire and sit at the fire a little bit this morning, but the wind is really picking up. It's been gusting, and so I'm wimping out. So I'm gonna make some coffee and hit the road. I was gonna put the drone up too, get some aerial shots, but with the wind gusts, I'm not sure I get my drone back. See that wind blowing stuff away. So I'm going to do the old repurposing the K-cup routine here. Yeah, maybe I better not shake that too much. Now if you watched if you watched some previous videos, you see where I just cut these open, which is kind of a pain because this plastic is surprisingly tough. So you don't want to cut the little bag inside. And this stuff will not tear. I wonder if scissors would do better. Okay, I'm going to edit out some of this. Alright, see, we just want to expose that little bag there. Don't want to cut it open. So either plastic is overly tough or those scissors are really crappy. I'm going to go with the scissors are really crummy. I mean, it is tough plastic, but those scissors. Sometimes we don't take our best gear camping because we don't want to ruin our good gear. I don't think that's such a good idea anymore. Oh, I nicked the bag. I got too exuberant. Okay. It ain't pretty, but that's how I got it set up here. Drop that right in there. Man, what a beautiful setting to be out here making coffee and enjoying the outdoors. Well, we could done this at a little bit lower elevation. Anyway. Yeah. Yeah, you can see some grounds leaked out. But you know what? Put some little cold water in there, those grounds will go right to the bottom. The wind has slowed down a little, and I think I'm going to sit in the sun, drink my coffee, and stare at the mountains. You know, now that the wind has died down, sun's out. I don't need a fire. This is quite comfortable. I have to say that one of the things I'm actually kind of pleased about with this campsite is I showed up and it wasn't full of trash. I hate to be Mr. Negative, but sometimes that happens. I did notice a couple of things on my way in and in my little walk this morning. So I brought a trash bag and we're going to pick up just a couple of things that were left behind. Somebody's Target. Ah, yes. The ever-present beer cans. Yeah, so it wasn't too excessive on this trip. I think anybody, if you ever go out and you see this kind of stuff, and if you can manage it, yeah, just pick it up and take it out with you. Because as you saw yesterday, it's just so disappointing to head up to one of your favorite campsites and find out that it's been blocked off. I did a rant video last year. I was heading out to go see the Aurora Borealis up on one of our local mountains. A perfect place to see it. I come around the corner and all of a sudden there's a brand new gate there. And I know they closed it because of all the dumping. People were taking cars up there and lighting them on fire. And there were just bags and bags. People dump all their junk out there. It was actually kind of heartbreaking in a way. And sure enough, it's gated off now, so now nobody can enjoy it. I still haven't gotten around to posting that rant video. If you've made it this far into this one, and if I get enough comments from people about my rant video, then I'll post it. So let me know down below in the comments if you want to see me ranting. yeah, just a little bit of trash today, so that's good. Well guys, this has been a good little adventure to kind of test my tolerance for being able to go do some back roading, and I'm happy to say I feel pretty decent for having done it. I think part of it's psychological too, getting away from it all, getting out into the outdoors, and of course getting some nice fresh air away from the couch and the TV. Just can't beat it. Just can't beat it. Oh. So mission accomplished there. Going to be hitting the road. Of course, this little adventure isn't quite over yet, because on my drive back I'm going to enjoy the scenery on the way home. I appreciate you guys watching this far. If you're still watching, well, that definitely shows you have some dedication, and I appreciate that. So that's it for my yakking today. Stay tuned for some more nature footage if you're so inclined. And I'll see you guys again on the back roads.